This is a maxi-cosi Swift baby playpen. We've already got it set up in the great room where baby can play and even nap while the rest of the family is up and about doing other things in the kitchen. First of all, what I really like about this playpen is that the handrail is fully padded, so if your toddler is inside and they were to try and stand up, their hands will be able to grasp something soft, and if they hit their head on the rail by mistake, it would be a soft landing. Secondly, I'll show you the base of the playpen. The legs are extremely sturdy and fully reinforced down at the base, so there's no risk of the playpen collapsing. And then further up, all sides of the playpen is fully meshed, so your toddler can keep an eye on you even while they're sitting down or lying down inside the playpen. Another reason I like this playpen is that you can start using it as a bassinet first for your newborn baby. The mattress is constructed higher up, making it very easy to lay your newborn down to sleep. And when baby grows bigger, you can convert it into a playpen so they can continue to play in it and interact with you at the same time. And by the way, this playpen easily folds up and then you can bring it to another room or even take it with you outside of the house to a park or a friend's house.